Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Today we are making these lavender flowers. I have made these flowers with two type of yarn. Firstly acrylic yarn and secondly milky yarn. This is acrylic lightweight yarn and second one is milky heavyweight yarn. This is made of acrylic yarn, lightweight yarn, and this is made of heavyweight milky yarn. The pattern I have used for both flowers are totally same, but the difference in their look is because of difference in their yarn. So from here we will start to making these flowers. For flower making, firstly we will make 60 chain stitches. So here we have made 60 chains. After this, skip these 3 stitches and attach at 4th stitch. To make double crochet, this is our first double crochet. After this first double crochet, now we will make 4 more double crochet at this same stitch. This is second double crochet. This is third double crochet, fourth one, and this is last fifth double crochet into this same 4th stitch. This is like bird structure at the top of lavender flower. Now from here we will make the petals of lavender flower. To completing this bird, making 2 chains and attach at the same stitch with slip stitch. So now we will working on second stitch. At second stitch, insert the crochet hook and make 1 single crochet. After this, make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one 6. After making 6 chains, now insert the crochet hook at the top of each stitch of single crochet and make slip stitch. This is first petal of flower. Now jump to next stitch and make 1 single crochet at next stitch. Then make 6 chains. After making 6 chains, insert the crochet hook at the top of single crochet, V-stitch and make 1 slip stitch. This is second petal. We will use this same pattern and make petals at each stitch. Here we have made petals at each stitch. Our flower section is completed. After this, we will start to making leaves We will make 3 leaves for this flower. For leaf section, firstly we will make 13 chains. After making 13 chains, then we will insert the crochet hook at the second stitch from the hook and make 1 single crochet. After making this single crochet, now we will pass the wire through this single crochet. Using a wire is optional. I have used this wire to give stiffness to the leaves. You can make leaves without this wire. After passing wire, then we will make 9 half double crochet at next 9 stitches. You can increase or decrease the length of leaves to increase or decrease the number of these half double crochet stitches. After making 9 half double crochet at previous 9 stitches, now we will make 1 single crochet at next 2 stitches. This is first single crochet at second last stitch and this is single crochet at last stitch. After making 1 single crochet at last stitch, now we will make 2 chains to making picot at the top of this single crochet. Making 2 chains, now insert the crochet hook at the V stitch of this single crochet and make 1 slip stitch. After making picot at the top of this single crochet, now we will make 1 single crochet at this same stitch. Now here we will start to making pattern to other side. At other side, at the start, firstly we will make 1 single crochet at first stitch. Now we will make 9 half double crochet at next 9 stitches. Here we have made 9 half double crochet at 9 stitches. Now we will make 1 single crochet at this last stitch. After this, insert the crochet hook at the both loop of first stitch and make 1 slip stitch. Then make 1 chain and cut off a long tail and wrap it into both wires. After making leaves, now we will make star for this flower and leaves. For this, I have used 4 wires to join together to make the thickness of the star. You can use bamboo sticks or any type of other type of sticks to make the stalk for this flower and leaves. After wrap green color yarn on these wires. Here we will start to assemble these flowers parts with the help of glue. Firstly, at the top of the stalk part, we will apply glue, and from the bird section we will start to making rounds on the stalk part. Firstly, we will attach bird at the top of the stalk. Then we will make rounds by rounds to wrap the flower section on the stalk part. After wrapping the flower section, then we will attach leaves with the help of glue or with the help of making rounds of green color yarn on the pedestal of leaves and attach to the stalk of flower. After attaching leaves, our lavender flower is ready. Viewers, I have explained each and everything for you, but if you have any confusion or question about this tutorial, then please ask in comment section below and also give your feedback in comment section. I'm waiting for it. And share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.